Let's go walking with dinosaurs. Step back in time and meet the first herbivore ever revealed. Tonight we're going to draw Plateosaurus. First ever long-necked dinosaur. Plateosaurus was the first ever dinosaur to be born, ever since the Late Triassic. Much like its descendants, it evolves and travels in herds. Let's see. Here we are. There we are. The way I see it, Plateosaurus was one of my best favorites. And just to sum up, I've got this one framed. And another thing involving this dino is that he's a well, let's see what we can find on him. Okay, I think I've found him. Let's see. Apparently that this animal is one of the first dinosaur giants. First fossil finds were discovered in Europe. Related to other dinos such as the Diplodocus. Has the same size and height as, well, as most other animals. It was tall enough to reach a few small trees. No. There we go. Here are his stripes. And finished. There he is. That's how you draw Plateosaurus. One of the first long necks ever appeared on Walking with Dinosaurs.
Shall I play more music related to that?
No thanks. It was first found in Germany in 1837. Amazing. Anyhow, that's how you draw him. Farewell, guys.